All right, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Well, my first day is Tuesday. As you can see, yesterday I couldn't trade. Let's dive into the deep. Let's dive into the deep right here. Okay. Oh yeah, I have to update dollar index. What has happened in dollar index? Let's get a better view. I still didn't do my weekly breakdown, but I will. I will do it. So don't worry, everyone. Okay, so dollar index is clearly, look at that. It looks like it wants to take out these relative equal lows here in the long term. These here, in my opinion, are relative equal lows. Not the perfect one, I know that, but let's just type it here. Down here, some relative equal lows. This is the daily chart. So I'm looking for dollar index to fall down, which gives some bullishness on the forex pair. So let's dive onto the pound, and we will go through the euro and oh yeah, and the dollar too. I mean the euro, dollar, and the pound. This is a daily. Oh, what is this? Oh yeah, because this is the 130 level and we're very close. So that is a very strong target. The 130 psychological level is a strong target. So let's just keep it in mind. That's the pound, sorry. So that's a very strong target. And for pound, the 130 is definitely possible. Is definitely possible. Broke through yesterday high, broke through last week's high. Clearly we are in a bullish trend right here. I think definitely the draw is going for this monthly imbalance high, which is 130. So that's a clear target in my opinion. So we're pretty much bullish. Going to be looking for some kind of a retracement if it want to continue further up. I think the same goes for euro as well. Let's check the daily for possible swing highs. This buy side has been taken out, so let's just note that just for now. Right there. Okay, so that buy side liquidity has been taken out, you know, just worth noting it. What else? This is the 1 hour, so that's buy side has been taken out, which is great. There was no imbalance left here, only this one actually. Look at that. On the 5 minute, this was the buy side liquidity there. On the 5 minute, it broke lower. Can be even seen on the 15 minute. Now it's scary to jump in right here, especially on the 1 hour. So I would be scared to go short in this area. I'm not saying it cannot happen, but you know, it's just scary. What do we have? Looks pretty bullish for me. This one looks pretty bullish for me. So I would be careful. What's the range here? There were some news. 7 pips. Well, it can go down, that's for sure. But if it's not going to, took out some Asia low, not all the way. You know, anything can happen. This fair value gap right here is interesting on the euro. This one on the 5 minute. The problem is that it took out some sell side here. Structure break here and here. Yeah, it went too much down. I would be careful. I would be careful entering here, especially because the dollar index is so bearish. Let's look at gold. Oh, look at gold. Relative equal high almost on last week's high. It's definitely bullish. Guys, we're bullish all over the place. Yeah. Yeah. It's not too far. Actually, it's nothing for gold. You can take it out easily. So, looking for any kind of bullish entry. The euro is a little bit tricky here. Pound as well. It can retrace back down before it wants to continue up. It can easily make a retracement, but for now we're just waiting, not doing anything. So that's it. Yeah, nothing extra. Just waiting, guys, just waiting. Oh, I did not update the monthly profits, which is we're up 1.9 overall. How many trades? 27. Overall. Yeah, and there were 14 winners. Let's update that. Okay, so we're at 1.9. Yeah, 1.9% journal wise. Okay, so euro is continuing to go up. So we're just waiting. We are just waiting. Oh, look at that push. Yeah, dollar index is giving up. Okay, so that's it for dollar index. Let's look for some order blocks. Maybe we will find something. Well, this could turn into an order block in 40 minutes, but or maybe this one. Yeah, on the 4 hour, maybe this one. Yeah, this could be one. Euro, dollar. All right, let's see. Let's see. Gold is pushing higher. Look at how close it is to last week's high. I would definitely try to go long. Let's just see if we have. Do we have any news? Let's see. News. Okay, no major news coming in. This one is the 15-minute, which is still not closed yet. On the 5-minute, there is no fair value gap. And nothing major on the 1 hour. No order blocks on gold. So this fair value gap is the only one which we can rely on if we want to take a long trade, especially targeting these relative equal highs. I would go for it. Put a stop loss here. It's a possibility, so we will see into that. If we would have an entry. Look at euro. That's why I said this would be a tough call here. So it's a good thing that I did not consider the short. I mean, I did, but okay, this one broke structure, not that clearly, but it did. Some liquidity has been swept. Otherwise, I don't see any. Oh, what's the target here? Yeah, it's 70 pips. I think it can do that. Looks like we're going for 111, which is up here. I can actually put a marker here. I know this one is closer. Miss Healthy FX and Haritas. Oh my god, thank you guys for being here. Hey guys. How are you doing? How are you doing, guys? Sorry guys, I was off yesterday, but I think I was talking about it on Friday. I was at the doctor's appointment in hospital, stuff like that, but everything's all right. But I was checking it on my phone, some movements, and it seems like I may have had some good moves I left out, but no worries. Otherwise, everything is cool. So next target would be up here, although next buy side is here. How are you guys? Sarvesh is here as well. Oh my god, you deserve an applause as well. Good to see you guys, good to see you. You know guys, yesterday I was talking about it. I couldn't stream. But now we're targeting here some profits. Some new highs on euro. How are you guys doing? Oh, it's really good to see everyone. So euro is looking to go higher. It almost feels like that my previous analysis from 8 days ago is now coming to alive, because I was talking about this, that on a weekly everything was looking so bullish, and now it really starts to go bullish. Now we're going to be checking the gold chart on the 15-minute to look for this fair value gap later if it closes here. As for the euro, Let's just mark this here as a fair value gap. As for the euro, I'm looking for some more bullishness. And the dollar index is definitely bearish. It's bearish. All right. So it might gonna fall down here into these relative equal lows. This is the daily dollar index. It's a very good target. Not the perfect relative equal lows, but it is a kind of relative equal low. Could be a good daily target for dollar to take it out. So if we stay with the bearishness of the dollar index, then we should definitely look for some more push to the upside on the pound and on the euro, especially because that's the monthly imbalance high. Still lots of space to be repriced. Oh yeah, look at that. There's still some range to be rebalanced on the monthly chart on the pound. Will be a very active London session. You think so? Hopefully. We'll see some action. Hopefully we will see something here. Now, if we are bullish on the euro and we assume that it's going to target the next buy side, then I guess this fair value gap would be a great entry. And buy side is at 53. Let's see. Yeah, that's exactly the next target if we are staying bullish. Now let's check it out. Let's check it out real quick. I'm gonna put a pending order just to make sure. Pending order is going to be here at 10:18. Alright, let's put this with here. Okay, so this is where my pending order is going to be. Stop loss is going to be around here somewhere. Yeah, 10 pips is fine. That's where my stop loss is going to be. TP1 is going to be at 10.28. So that's just a pending order. Not that I'm too much all over the place for going long, but this fair value gap would serve me in the purpose of going higher with the euro. But that's it for now. Okay. Most likely we're not even going to go down again into this fair value gap on the euro. Look at gold. It's definitely going to take out the 1935. It's just really looking for that. I just have no setup here. Not even a bullish order block. Relative equal high. Look at this. Right here on gold. It's a very significant level. That's why I think it will go up there. Now, what should we do with the pound? What should we do with the pound? if we are on side and if we are correct, then this fair value gap should be a good entry point on euro. So let's start to hope that it will be fine in a way. Please guys, don't forget to drop a like, you know. Thank you so much for the support. Please push the like button for me. Thank you very much for the support. Thank you, thank you. So pound, let's look at pound. Above 29 and on the way to 0.30, very round number, and we're still inside the monthly imbalance range. Could be an interesting target, and it's only less than 100 pips away, which is for pound not a big deal if it's trending. Hey Naga, no trades today, Naga. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. You deserve an applause too. No trades yet, Naga. Everything is clean and clear. Just waiting, just waiting. No trades so far. I have a pending order. Excuse me, that's correct. I have a pending order on the euro. That's it, but it's not triggered yet. Although it will be. My pending buy order is from 10.18 in a fair value gap, because I'm looking for euro to go higher. I'm pretty bullish on euro dollar. And so this is a pending buy limit here, which I have. That's all I have for now. So that's in place, and maybe we're gonna get filled here. I think we will. Yeah. Now we're filled. We're in the trade. Stop loss is down here. So now we have a trade. TP1 is right here at 1R at 10.28. So that's the only trade I have for now. Euro dollar long. Let's just put the metrics here. All right, from 10.19. 10.19, that's a round number. 10.09 something is the stop loss. 10.098. That's my stop loss, and my TP, my final TP, is going to be at 10.37.4. All right, that's my final TP on euro. And TP1 is 10.28, 28.2. 28.2. There. TP1. There you go. False breakout of the low might push up. Yeah, it can easily do that. It can easily do that. Absolutely, absolutely. So yeah. It can definitely do that. Good point there. It surely needs to retrace, as it does now, as you can see. So if the dollar index wants to retrace, this is the 15-minute chart. It could do that well, I would be glad if it would stop the retracement around 101.70 or 69, somewhere around here, and then continue to go lower. If I look at the 1 hour, yeah, it's dangerous, especially the 4 hour. The 4 hour is very dangerous. Have to be careful here, guys. To be very, very cautious and careful. We're still in the negative. All right. So that's my trade on euro for now. TP1 is right there. Let's see if it wants to continue higher. Look at gold. Wow. Gold just skyrocketed into that 1938 level. It's gonna take it out. I'm just waiting for a nice retracement, maybe on the 1 minute as well. It would be good to see. It would be a nice run for liquidity. But it's not retracing, it's just going like butter, you know. I might going to take this trade on my personal account, but not on stream. I mean, not on the stream journal. Let's just look at this. We'll see. We'll see if it wants to go higher. But gold is looking very bullish. Definitely looking bullish. As for euro, euro is still down there in this fair value gap. Pound as well. Yeah, so dollar index is coming back into this fair value gap. So if it wants to go lower, I don't want to see it trade above this swing high, because then we're looking at a crazy day. My euro is not looking good. Look at gold, wow. Gold is looking to go higher. Now if I look at pound, oh, good morning, Wahab. Wahab is here. Applause for you as well, and everyone who is here. Don't forget the likes, guys. Anyway, we took out 29 level on pound. So we took out the 29 level. I have to be very careful, of course. 29 is a nice round number. And round numbers could be causing trouble in terms of a quick retracement or something like that. What happened on gold? Oh, look at gold. As I was expecting it, gold burst through the 1935 and went all the way up into this swing high right here. I don't want to look like a hero, but I took this trade on my personal account. I didn't take it here on stream, but on my personal account I took it. So there it is. I took it on my personal account right from here to here. It was a nice trade. Real nice one. All right. So gold went higher, which is good. Helped a little bit to the euro. What a move. What a move from gold. I feel like it's not going to be enough for euro and pound as well. Oh, we'll see. We'll see. If we want to continue to go higher with pound and aim to close down the monthly imbalance, which is the 130 level, how you know, interesting that the close price is exactly 130. Then that would be interesting. All right, sorry, just a phone call. Anyway, guys, so gold pushed higher. Our euro trade is still intact so far, and I'm still looking for some bullishness. So if we're overall bullish on pound because it took out last week's high, we're starting to close the tech hooked. Nice to see you, man, and everyone here. So if we're looking for more bullishness, then, you know, maybe this is a good entry point. I'm not entering on the based on the 1 minute. On the 5 minute, we see a fair value gap here, and there is an imbalance right here. This is the 15 minute. So this is the pound 15 minute. Sorry, guys. And if we would want to take a trade, then the optimal trade entry would be a little bit lower here. The point is, I'm already exposed to some risk on the euro. So and this trade, well, it's not really looking that good. TP1 is at 10.28. all depends on what pound wants to do, because we are here at 29. Jerrylyn is here. Oh my god. Hey Jerrylyn, welcome back, welcome back. It's good to see you. I love to see the regular people, guys. So we're hovering just above the 29 level. The question is it going to push higher? I think it will. So this 5-minute fair value gap could have been a good entry point, but very dangerous because we have an imbalance down here if we want to go long. But I'm already long on the euro. So I'm already long on the euro. Potential buy side is at 10.53. But in the long term, I think we have a very good potential to break this daily swing high, which is at 111 almost one pip away from 111. Good to see you, Jared. so it's a long shot, I know, but that's what I think. But first we need the dollar index to continue to go lower. That's it. Maybe the euro will start to thrive, you know. TP2 is 137.4, right? Yeah, that's TP2, 137.4. That's the only trade I have for now. Slight profit right here on euro. Nothing extra. Took it from this fair value gap. I could be very wrong on this one. So we'll see. We'll see. Now gold. What gold did, that was a really interesting move there. What could gold do after this push to the high? Next buy side is here. We have an imbalance on the 1 hour here. Remember, guys, that's what this level I was talking about quite a few times, the 1983. Maybe this was the start to take out all this liquidity, which is engineered up here. Lots of liquidity around these areas. So anything can happen. Yeah. Lots of liquidity. So gold is a big question mark for me right now, because it definitely broke some liquidity and some highs right here. So it can easily turn around. Have to be very careful with gold of what it wants to do right now. I don't have any setup forming, so we just have to wait. Yeah, we're in the waiting game, guys. And the problem is, we had a structure break here on euro. That's a problem for me. Maybe I should consider closing my my long entry, and maybe that's what I will do with a tiny loss. My god, look at that. We just entered here. Not looking good, man. I should close it with a small loss. Damn it. Look at that. It's a classic entry. Yeah, I'm closing it. I'm closing it. Close down the euro with a small loss. Because the 1 minute definitely turned against us. Look at that. The 1 minute chart, I don't care if it turns around. This created a valid entry right here. Right here inside that fair value gap. This is a valid entry. Have to be very careful. It actually made some liquidity sweep, structure break. Yeah, it could be a Judas swing as well. It could be a Judas swing. I got scared, I got cold feet, and I don't care about that because it's just looking very scary for the euro, especially because, as you said, it's tricky with the pound and everything. So it's very, 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 very tricky. I do have a one-to-one trade here. All right. Okay, so this is my new trade. One-to-one TP is right down there. So I took a counter trade based on the 1 minute entry. Because it can easily be a Judas swing, which looks like it definitely is. Let me delete this for now. I got scared. Maybe I'm doing the wrong thing here, but I don't care. This 5 minute fair value gap is now acting as resistance. Well, it should. And let me see what's going on here on the euro. TP1 is 08. Okay. 08. Okay, that's fine. So yeah, TP1 should be in place. Going into this 5 minute order block. Oh, sorry, fair value gap. So we'll see if it holds or not. One minute FVG. All right. So my bit, yeah. Will you be trading a silver bullet? I try to. I'll try to trade a silver bullet. We'll see. To be honest, I got confused a little bit with the silver bullet, not because it's not working, but my analysis during the silver bullet session. But it's my problem, you know. FX Mo is here. Good morning. Huge applause for you guys. FX Mo, welcome. Oh no, look at this. Euro went against me. A little bit, not too much. Trying to hold this for a bit more. It really tricked me. Pound it still looks like it wants to go lower a little bit. Maybe if it should reprice this, then we would see a bullish order block right there. And by the way, guys, I know, and I'm gonna be saying this out many times. I am an aggressive trader, and you know it's hard to battle against my own personality. I am trading aggressively, which is fine if I'm doing it with a low risk. So because it's hard for me to just sit on my hands many times. I mean, it's hard for everyone, but I do have to find out a way so my risk would be still kept a little bit low, which is by lowering the trade size. Yeah, around break even. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Okay, pound is at equilibrium, so if it wants to go higher to target the 130 level, well, this should be the point right now. Almost in the silver bullet session, guys, which is in about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. London Open, that is. Euro is not looking good. Euro is definitely going against me right now. Should have stayed with the 5-minute analysis, right? Damn it. Yeah. Okay. Euro. I messed up my own mind. Look at this. This 5-minute fair value gap looks like it was holding. It was actually holding. Real emotions, guys. Real emotions from me right now. It's not looking good. Anyway, we're going into the silver bullet session, so it is what it is. Nothing to do here. And I'm going to take only one trade on the silver bullet, that's it. So I think we're out almost. Yeah. Damn it. Damn it. Yeah, we're gonna get taken out here. Terrible entry. Terrible trade management from me this morning. It's just terrible. Yeah. Alright, silver bullet has started. The usual silver bullet intro. First of all, it's gonna take us out here. right? That's it. So, damn it, this trade. I'm not even sure I want to take any trades. I just don't feel it, but we'll see. Already having one complete loss with the euro. I had a tiny one here. I don't know. I'm confused, guys. My original analysis was definitely bullish, but you know, we had this beautiful sweep of liquidity, structure break, then it went down. Beautiful sell side liquidity to be taken out in the short term. We still can see the dollar index to, you know, edge higher on the 1 hour, also on the 4 hour, take some liquidity and then go further down. Hard to tell what's happening on the 1 minute. Looks like dollar index may want to go higher and take out this buy side, who knows. Pound wants to go lower, which can be good for our euro. Since we're already in the trade, maybe this was the silver bullet, right? On pound. And sell side is right here. It could have been, you know, easily. At least we're in a slight profit on the euro trade. Slight profit in the euro trade. And, you know, fair value gap here. Hello, Teacher FX. Oh my god, it's so good to see you too. It's for you. Thank you guys for joining. And please don't forget to push some like buttons. You guys support me by being here and watching the stream, so I'm extremely and eternally grateful for everyone. All right, look at that on the 1 minute. Look at that. Made the sweep, or I don't know, structure break on the 1 minute in the euro dollar. Quite interesting scenario, to be honest. So structure break, which can be, you know, it can mean something good, or it can just mean that it wants to take some liquidity. I don't know. Took EU shorts, good. Have to be careful, you know, because I got confused as well. I'm looking for the pound, and the only reason I did not take the pound short is because we are in the 15-minute pound, we're around equilibrium. So if it wants to go higher, then, you know, who knows where is the next draw on liquidity. But there was some fair value gaps here and here as well. So the euro is turning against us for now. It's not looking good again. It's hard to determine the draw on liquidity in these conditions. It might want to go up. Now look at gold. Gold is interesting. It wants to continue higher, then, you know, gold might just be in a position to do so. Repriced this. Now it should continue to take some liquidity higher. Who knows? Maybe I would do that if I was gold. I don't really see targets higher on gold. Well, there is some imbalance. I might want to reprice. But the euro is not looking good. Yeah, 5-minute order block. Yeah. The problem is, look at euro. I mean, look at that. Try to push lower, pushed it back, pushed it back, pushed it back. So it's definitely some pressure, some buying pressure right here. The question is, does euro wants to take this out? Because if there is some real orders or pressure down here, then euro might just want to take all this one out to take some liquidity before it continues its way higher. You know, because this bullish order block right now is holding price very much. Look at this, how much it respected price. This not order block, come on guys, fair value gap. This fair value gap has been respected, well, almost respected here, almost dip deeper, but this 5-minute is holding very, very strongly. Have to be careful. All depends what dollar index wants to do. If it wants to take out some highs, that would be great. Otherwise, it's interesting. Yeah. Look at that, how it respects it. Don't look Euro USD bad setup. Well, yeah. This one, by the way, it always amazes me how well it respects these levels. This fair value gap is definitely respected, and it's acting as a very strong support on the 5-minute. So we have to break through with the down close candle here to have a chance to take out this sell side right down there. If it will be respected, then the next target should be 10.53. You know, all depends. All depends on it. Now it starting to go lower a little bit. Pound dollar dipped below this one and took some liquidity here. The question is it going to be enough to drive pound all the way up? Gold dipping lower. On the 1 hour, this is the 1 hour gold. 15-minute chart, almost repricing this nice fair value gap. So everything is looking good for a possible long to shoot to the sky, or this is just going to be a huge judo swing, which used to happen around these times. So after London Open, so it can be a judo swing, like price wanted to go higher, and then boom, it just goes down and takes out the lows. Judo swings mostly occur on Tuesday or Wednesday. Oh man, I'm not sure. Anyway, now it can happen any day of the week, but look at that. Still needs to trade lower than this candle right there, and then we can say it has disrespected or broken this fair value gap. Still needs to trade lower than this. There you go. Now this fair value gap, we can say that could be acting as resistance. Could be turning into resistance, technically speaking. But you know, at least we're in a slight profit there. And you know, sell side could be right around here. If this candle, this 5 minute would close below here, that would be an even more stronger confirmation. Still have some fair value gap to be repriced on gold. What's pound doing? Pound still have some range to rebalance. Previous day high was right there. Interesting. Interesting. Gold has a better setup, just scalped short and we'll wait for reversal. Oh, let's check it. Oh yeah, it was making a look at this. For example, if I look at this swing from here to here, this was exactly a nice short scalp here. Broke structure, went here. This was actually a silver bullet. Just saying. If you took this short here, I think it would have fit the plan. Stop loss here, you would already be at 1-to-1. So this was a nice trade if you took this one. Yeah. Very good, Dario. Congrats on that. Congrats, because this one was a nice one here. This one was a nice one. Now, if this candle would stay like this, then it would turn. This would definitely turn into some sort of resistance. Okay. This 1 minute is starting to reprice this. Could be good for a possible short. This one broke some structure, but since I'm already in the trade, I'm not taking on any extra risk. So let's just wait. Gold still going lower. Maybe euro will go deeper here. I guess we'll see. Maybe he just wants to reprice this. I don't know. Pound is going higher. Let's look at dollar index just for a little bit. Dollar index on the 15-minute chart, there is a swing high here. If dollar index wants to take this out, because pretty much these candles are flat, so might be a good target to take out some buy side for dollar index. If it wants to do that, Toxic Min is here. Guys, everyone is so great. Thank you for being here. Oh yeah, it can reverse. Now look at the dollar index as well. There's these two hourly candles are so flat, no candle, I mean no wicks. It can just, you know, easily go up there and take out those highs, which would mean that the euro dollar trade can be a little better. Let's check gold. Gold took out multiple, this fair value gap here, tapped into this one just a little bit. On the 5 minute it went into this one, tapped into this one. On the 1 minute, yeah, all we need from gold is a structure break, but there is no structure only here on this high. So 1934 would be my structure because there's no swing point. Well, maybe this one, if this candle would close here, this one would be a structure break. We have to see. Okay, pound. Pound may want to go down, reprice this. It could be considered also as a bullish order block. Let me state this one out, and guys, correct me if I'm wrong on this one. But for me, this looks like a 15-minute bullish order block. This one right there, which can be as a potential magnet as well. Like for pound tried to go down here and gain some momentum and then shoot back up. I don't know. Have to consider that as well as a possible scenario. 15-minute bullish order block down there, as you can see. I think this is a 15-minute bullish order block. Guys, I'm not a trade guru, but if you disagree, just, you know, type it in. But I think this one is a bullish order block on pound. Pretty much looks like it is. Anyway, let's check the 5 minute again. Euro went down a little bit, touched yesterday. No, this was buy side. Damn it, euro. Hard to read for me this morning. Now gold went into this fair value gap on the 5 minute. We have a small structure. Well, let's see the high. Yeah, so the high is 32.01. 32. So this is not a structure. This is not a structure yet. So we're still waiting. I would like to see pound go into this bullish order block first. Slight profit there on euro. Fractional high. Where? This one could be, but if this candle breaks it, then there's not going to be a fractal. We can look for a see fractals. On the 1 minute, we have a fractal high here, but no swing high, no fractal high all the way down, at least not on the 1 minute. And on the 5 minute, the next fractal high is up there, as you can see. So at least this comes from forex.com, this price feed. This next fractal high is still up there. So I would consider, oh, now here. Now we have a new fractal high, as you can see. This created a new fractal. Now if this would be broken, then, you know, that would be considered as a structure break, I think. Maybe, but so if this candle breaks this high, then we'll definitely be looking for some turnaround in gold. Let's look at dollar index. At least this candle right here traded below this 5 minute. So this could be acting as resistance, this fair value gap, which is a good sign. We'll see, I guess. Let's look at gold. Gold breaking lower a little bit, just as pound. Look at pound. Pound is digging deeper into this bullish order block. So this would be interesting to see on the 1 minute if it forms a bullish structure, some kind of an entry maybe to go along. You know, this could have been a silver bullet entry, maybe not the most perfect one, but this fair value gap here, if you want to target the mid threshold of this bullish order block. I guess we'll see. So far euro is going a little bit deeper. Oh no. Euro just went back up. It was looking so good. It was digging deeper down there. And then it just boom, spiked back up. Look at this. I was really hoping that at least euro would, you know, for example, take out this small volume imbalance right there. There's a very small volume imbalance here. But anyway, and it's a good swing low as well, you know, possible swing low. So we'll see. We'll see, I guess. TP1 was almost reached. 083. So we have an alert for TP1 just in case if euro would like to go deeper, but I have to wait and see, you know. That's TP1. I don't know. I have to wait and see. Now this one could be interesting, you know. This is a fractal high, which is gold now starting to break. Almost this one too, technically. You know. If we go down deeper, this would be considered technically as a structure break. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not taking this trade, or should I? I don't know. So this could be considered as a break of structure, maybe. With the FIP tool, we have optimal trade entry just around this area. Right there. There's your long setup for gold. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you want to go long on gold, just do it now. I'm not doing it. There was your entry right there. I'm not taking any longs right now. I'm just waiting, you know. This is a long entry right there on gold. Could be a silver bullet. Who knows? I just called it. There you go. This was the entry right there. Broke this fractal high as well. Still have a fair value gap, so it might be good for a re-entry. If you guys want to risk it for the biscuit, you're welcome to do it. Re-entry on gold for going long. I'm not going long because I'm a chicken. I'm scared. Maybe I should go long, right? So there you go. Now it's even better to enter on gold. Doesn't get any better than this one. All right. What's pound doing? I think pound wants to dive into this bullish order block right here. It sure looks like. And this one here on euro is definitely looks like could be a good target for sell side. All depends, you know. All right. Now look at that. The 1 minute entry on gold is definitely look good. Or was looking good. So if someone took this, you should be in a slight profit by now. There you go. Even if you took it here, you should be at TP1 by now. So there's gold. Gold is at TP1. Some of you guys took it, you should be at TP1. Well, around TP1. Now, and these are the times when it comes into consideration of trading multiple pairs, or should I consider trading multiple pairs or not? Because sometimes it conflicts with the theory of overtrading, and it can be frustrating. I'm not feeling FOMO because I was scared from gold to go long. But you know, very good, Dario. I hope you took that trade. You should be at TP1 by now, Dario, if you took that. You know, if you entered somewhere here and you took some partials here, then you should be at TP1 and break even by now. At least I always take partials and move to break even, you know, at 1-to-1. Yeah. It can still move higher. Look at that. It repriced this gap right here. It can still push higher, you know, who knows. But if you reach this, so if you entered, for example, here, well, let's just say here around this entry, your stop would be around 9 pips. You should slightly have reached TP1 with 9 pips, including spread, something, I don't know. It can continue higher, by the way. Very good. Very good then, Dario. That's it. That's what I'm aiming for. I would aim for. Okay, all right, let's see what's happening. Pound is still hovering there. Gold is still an active trade if someone is at break even, or you can do a second entry and target buy side. Well, for example, here at 34.73. My second TP would be around 47, 40 or 50-ish level. Yeah, oh, second TP, sorry. Last TP. 33, 14, 5. That's a good target. Yeah, that's a conservative and surefire target. Yeah, there is a fair value gap for sure. Very good. Very, very, very good, Dario. I think you have momentum on your side. It's a free trade for you, should be. Maybe you're still in the trade. Hopefully you're still in. But if you're not, you already made some partials, so that's good. So that's a profitable trade. And if you were at break even, then most likely you're out at break even with this partial, but since you took some profits, it's a very nice win, so you deserve an applause. There you go. But maybe you're still in. Who knows? Who knows? Euro is going lower, so I'm curious about pound. We're still in the euro trade, by the way, but I don't like it so far. Still have 20 minutes from the silver bullet. But if you didn't go, anyone didn't go to break even, then you're still in a long entry on gold. So you're still in a long on gold. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a breakfast now. See you tomorrow, Dario. Thank you for being here. Have a good day. Have a good day, man. Oh, look at pound. Pound just went higher. Pound just went higher. Just a little bit. Almost like a bearish order block here on the 1 minute, but looks interesting. Okay, gold is going lower. Maybe it wants to take out the sell side. Who knows? Who knows what gold wants to do these days? That was a fair value gap there. Still in the trade on the euro, but not looking that good. And I'm looking for something, but pound could be a good candidate for going short and reprice this imbalance inside the 15-minute order block. So I guess anything can happen. Don't worry, guys, I'm here. Still, for now. So let's see what is happening. What is happening on pound? What is happening on euro? Look at gold. Look at the spike. It definitely made a structure break here. So that's an interesting move from gold. I would consider to go long at a nice retracement. Almost at TP1, but missed it with a little bit. First trade on live funded account is break even. Very nice FX Mo. Congratulations. Congratulations, man. You deserve it. You absolutely deserve it, man. Look at that. We were almost at TP1. But I missed it. Almost at TP1. Almost, guys. That would be TP1 there. This is the euro dollar, by the way, just saying. That's TP1. Come on, euro, just small, very small push, please. Tony, thank you very much. Thank you, Tony. So glad you're here. This is for everyone who is a regular viewer and for the new ones as well. Guys, push the like button. And if you're new, just sub to the stream, to the channel. Thank you so much from everyone being here. Almost at TP1, guys. That's TP1 right there. Hopefully we'll get a sound alert or something. The EA should put it to break even. Hope you're doing good, Tony. All right. All right, guys. All right. We made it to TP1, which is a good news, and almost forget, you know. There. Very good. Very good. Very good. Oh, almost forgot to close. Well, we're closing around this. The EA didn't close it, so that was interesting, and I know why. Now this is why this EA is a little bit glitchy. This is a glitchy EA. Still, they have to sort out some stuff on this one. I'm gonna close one more portion just to make sure. There. All right, now this one looks better. All right. Actually, maybe a little bit more. All right. Now it looks better. So this one is a little bit glitchy. But still, it was a successful trade. So it had put it to break even. But the problem was that it didn't close the partial. Now the 5-minute entry on gold, if someone took it, you should be in a slight profit by now. Up to 0.5 with 15 wins, which is good. All right, this should be covering commission. So we're definitely well, let's see. Well, this has to be considered as a silver bullet trade because it has been made during that time. The thing is, I'm having a little bit of trouble by considering where sell side should be. It could be here. We'll see, I guess. But actually, at least it's a winner. So it was a London session trade. It was euro, sell, silver bullet, TP1, 1 minute. Yes, okay, it's nice. It's a nice one. It can turn around easily, just as gold did. All right, guys. I think that's it for the silver bullet hour, and I'm not looking to enter into more trades. I mean, I do maybe, you know, this gold trade is very tempting. Honestly, look at that optimal trade entry right there. You know what? I'm just gonna take this. Just for the sake of it, because I'm bullish on. There, I took this because I'm bullish on gold. Otherwise, I'm not going to be nurturing this trade. This is a slightly more, it's not a silver bullet, it's a slightly bigger risk reward than 1-to-1. But I'm not going to sit here and babysit this trade. So I'm long on gold. I'm going to journal it later on the journal, because I'm overall bullish on gold. I'm very, very, very bullish on gold. Lots of liquidity to be taken out. If it's not working out, then so be it. Okay, guys, so that's all. No more trades. Let's hope that gold will prevail. And that's it for me, guys. Hope to see you guys in the New York session. And first of all, it's going to be in the London session tomorrow, but check me out at the New York session. Thank you so much for being here. Drop the likes if you can. Sub to the channel, because there's some very good things coming up. Check my Patreon site at Pip.Ninja and my blog as well. Thank you so much for being here. This is it for this morning. We had a nice win. So I hope to see you guys in the New York session, hopefully. Cheers, everyone. Have a nice morning.